equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC22. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson DC22 may experience reduced suction power due to a clogged or dirty filter. This can happen over time as dust and debris accumulate, and if not addressed promptly, it can lead to further performance issues or even damage to the motor. To fix this, you will need a few tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a new filter specifically designed for the Dyson DC22. First, ensure the device is unplugged for safety. Begin by locating the screws on the top of the vacuum cleaner. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the casing, being careful not to damage any clips. Once open, locate the filter compartment, which is usually situated near the motor. Remove the old filter by twisting it counterclockwise and pulling it out. Take your new filter and insert it into the compartment, ensuring it is seated properly. Secure it by twisting it clockwise until it clicks into place. As you reassemble the casing, make sure to align all clips and screws correctly. Apply gentle pressure when securing screws to avoid stripping them. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check and clean your filter every few months, especially if you have pets or a lot of dust in your home. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.